Today we got a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is Guy Totals His Truck, Tries Fighting the Witness.
Police respond to a vehicle crash, only to find the male driver had threatened the Good Samaritan and fled the scene.
All right, y'all said y'all saw him where?
Yeah, I don't know who this car is right here that just pulled up, but it's scary. We were at that building office there, and we noticed a truck went through the 7-Eleven, you know, that little cutthroat or through.
Where'd y'all see him last?
So see that building right there? That's 575 South Wickham Road. There's a little cut through from the 7-Eleven to there, and he came through there and barreling down here, and he had a front right tire out. And
y'all saw him head that way just now?
No, he head this way. He came out of there and head this way.
He left on foot though, but where?
No, ma'am, and his truck is in the ditch right here.
No, I know, but where is he? Right.
He's over there.
That's what I was asking.
He was trying to fight him, almost getting in her face, like it was.
They said they saw him head that way. I don't know if.
Is it a hit and run?
No, he wrecked himself into the ditch.
Oh, the gentleman?
Yeah.
And he took off on foot?
And he took off that way, trying to run. He was trying to fight them, trying to get involved with other vehicles, I guess, in the road.
Was he drunk?
So they think so.
They think so? Okay.
Yeah.
Here's his keys. I don't know.
Okay. Give me 1 second. Yeah.
Company vehicle?
So, it was him that was involved in it? You, right?
No.
Did he hit another vehicle or anything?
No. It was just
saw
him.
it
We were in the
happen.
plaza.
Yeah.
We came down here to see if we could help, if he was injured, and then try to help him out. We tried to tell him there was a ditch thing there, and he wouldn't listen to us. He still fell in it. We helped pull him out, and then he just wanted to fight him the whole time. And he was getting in her, like, kind of in her face, and then mine, because he thought I called the cops, but...
I was the one that witnessed because I was facing this way, and he just literally fell in there where you can literally...
He was trying to turn or something?
Yeah, he was trying to turn.
Well, he was driving pretty crazy on a flat tire.
He was on the rim.
The rim was going, sparking.
Okay.
You can still see, like, the little
It's like
rim
he was
mark right
running
here in the
from
road, and he just literally went right in there.
Okay.
He fell in.
And did he get physical with you guys, or he just was acting like he was going to?
He kind of put his hand in my face. He went like this. So I did the right thing. I backed off. I came over here. Then he was standing over there. They were trying to talk to him, tell him to chill out. And I was over here. Then he walked all the way over here and said, "Are you trying to fight?" Put his hand on my face like this. And I was just trying to calm him down and tell him not to do anything. He walked over there towards that trans too. And then came back again and said, "Do you really want to do this?" We were just trying to get him out the road so he didn't get hit. But then he watched the actual crash. And then we looked and then he walked past that way and we didn't see him again. Well, we need to see him right in it, and then yelled at him. I didn't see no bleeding on his knees or anything. He fell perfectly, one leg in the water and the other still up on the concrete.
Like a minute.
Yeah, before you
Like he's hiding.
Honestly, that guy is actually really lucky that the kid, the man there, that his temperament is very. Why is my camera going all the way down here? Like, yo, focus, okay? Damn, yeah, come on now. But anyways, he's actually lucky that the kid is actually pretty level-headed, because he's a nice stocky kid, you know what I mean? Like, he look like probably played football back in the day, or, you know, maybe currently or something. You know, he a good little stocky kid. So I'm assuming, especially dealing with a drunk guy or something like that, man, you hit him, man, it's night. You hear me? You bet you gonna be snoring. You gonna be like that one video we did when the officer knocked the lady to the ground. She was snoring. You know, I'll leave that video at the end of this one if you ain't catch it or whatever. But yeah, so that guy that took off, be lucky that he actually is calm, cool, and collected.
Hello.
Oh yeah, get him together. Oh, this
I'm
him.
the police department. What the fuck are you doing?
Police department? What the fuck are you doing?
Why'd you crash your truck?
What? I didn't crash my fucking truck.
Well, why are you laying in the grass if you didn't crash your truck?
way in my fucking house. What the fuck you doing?
Where's your house at?
Over there.
What's your address?
It doesn't fucking matter. What the fuck you doing? Crash my fucking truck? I didn't crash my fucking truck.
Well, you did.
No, I did not. Okay.
You got any weapons on you?
No, sir.
Are you able to do anything other than lay there?
No, sir.
All right. Well, sit up.
I'm not gonna sit up.
Well, you're going to.
What the fuck you guys doing?
Sit up.
Sit up before they get you together. You better act right.
You're being detained.
Okay.
What's your name, bub?
Houston.
Houston? Like the city?
Yes.
Okay. Other than this little scratch on your knee, you got any injuries?
No, sir.
Okay. I see your flip-flop down here in the middle of the road. Hey, is there still a witness down there? For a truck in a ditch? Yeah. Yeah, it's right up there. Driving around, I'm like, oh look, a guy laying next to a trailer in a flip-flop in the middle of the road.
Oh,
I'd call that a clue.
how's that happen? Here he is.
Yep. There he is. All right.
No, you can laugh all you want, but like, you're cute. Yeah, well, whatever. It's all good. Oh, he doesn't have, what? No, you're a fucking joke. You're a fucking joke. You are.
Be polite, man. Be polite.
No, I will fuck his ass up no matter what.
Oh, yeah?
No, 100%. I respect you. You're a big motherfucker. You're
What's
good.
that?
You're a good guy. You're a good guy. I will fuck you up 100%. Yeah, 100%. I don't know. I'm just saying, I will fight him 100%.
Why won't you fight me?
I mean, I will, but I don't want to.
You should not want to fight anybody, you know? It's over, dude. Relax.
What the fuck is going on anyway?
You don't know?
No.
What do you think is going on?
You going to jail. That's what's going on.
I've done.
This ad is presented by yours truly. I just want to let you know that I love you and I appreciate you for supporting this YouTube channel. I also want to let you know that for exclusive drops and early releases, go to patreon.com/ShyGotEm. That's patreon.com/ShyGotEm. The link is also in the description section. Let's get back to the video.
Wrong. What the fuck have I done wrong? Other than that guy's been a fucking vagina. So what's your end game? Like, what's the end game? What are we doing?
We're going to talk to you about it here in a minute. Okay?
Okay.
We're going to talk to you about what's going on here.
Okay, cool. Like, my grandfather owns got Auburn.
Who's your grandfather? Never heard of him.
Oh, really? Okay.
All right, can you get up?
Yep.
You able to stand up?
No, I can't with goddamn...
All right, we're going to get you up, put you in this car for right now, and we're going to figure out what we're going to do, okay?
Well, I'm going to get closer.
Okay. All right. I'll put your leg up underneath you. I'm going to stand you up, all right? Ready? 1, 2, 3, let's go. Stand up. There you go. All right. You ain't got anything on you, right?
Yes, sir.
Already touched you?
You patted him down.
All right. You want to tag me one more time?
That'll be good.
No, come on now. Tag me one more time.
Have a seat.
All right.
Have a seat, buddy.
Have a seat, man. Watch yourself. Watch your head.
Watch your head. Lift your leg up.
Good leg.
He gonna sleep good in that jail cell tonight, boy.
Happens.
What the fuck are you guys listening to doing this?
The case concluded with the individual being found guilty of driving under the influence, resisting officer obstruct without violence, 1 count, and assault on law enforcement, 1 count. 4 charges were dropped, including the felonies for leaving the scene of a crash and the main DUI property damage charge.
am I tripping? But where was the assault on the officer? I mean, maybe maybe the threats, or maybe something happened that was actually off camera that we don't know about. But dang, they hit him with every charge they could, boy. But good thing he ain't hurt nobody or hit anybody. Good thing he ain't hurt nobody or hit anybody, so that's a good sign. Overall, I think the officers did a pretty good job, man. I'm giving them 4 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below. That's good detective work. You know what I'm saying? Just cruising on through and seeing a guy laying on the ground. Somebody could have been driving and easily passed him. You know what I'm saying? It's dark, could have easily passed him, but that's good work. But anyway, let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.